Hello there, my name is Jason Bogart, and a big warm welcome to my Udemy course page. It's very nice to have you here, and I hope that you enjoy the course. A little bit about myself. So I'm a secondary school English teacher. I've been teaching overseas. This is my 19th year. So primarily all of my course content is coming from my teaching experience in my classrooms. So this is what I'm focused on, okay? So I hope those things are useful to you, and I hope that you find them helpful, and I hope that you take as many courses as you can. If you have any questions, please just ask, send me a message, and I will answer as soon as I can. And I hope to see you soon. Okay, take care. Bye-bye. Hello there, Udemy students. Thank you very much for visiting my profile page and taking this course. I hope that you find it useful, and it will help you with your writing. It's primarily focused on punctuation, so it includes quotation marks, commas, hyphens, all the difficult punctuation marks, in fact. So I hope that helps you become a better writer. If you do find it useful, please leave positive feedback on my on the course page. I'd be very grateful for that. Okay, well, take care and have a great day. Enjoy the course. Bye.